Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the dependency injection. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the dependency injection is a design pattern in which a class requests dependencies from external source rather than creating them itself. Angular's DI system is a core feature that improves modality, testability, and the code reuse. That is very important. Okay. What is dependency injection? Any service or object that has a class needs to perform its functions. Injection, the project, the process of providing a dependency to a class from external source rather than instantiating it inside the class. Why use? Loose coupling, testability, reusability, and the configuration flexibility. Dependencies can be configured at runtime. So, very good. Now, the core concepts we have injector, provider, and the tokens. Okay, so basically, injector and the injector means here you can see that if I we have already created in the last video injectable, provide and root. Okay, so injectable here you can see that injector, provider, okay, and tokens. So provider a recipe that tells the injector how to create the dependency, and the injector a service that creates and provides the dependency. Okay, so first of all create the service that is, we have to create the service that is called logging. Okay, so here I'm going to create the service login. So this is how we can create the service. Now in the logging service I'm going to create a method which name as log. Okay, just go and check that one. Here we have, so here you can see that my logging service, it will over, it's not there where I have created app source app logging service should be the logging service. Okay, so here you can see that injectable provider in, we have a detailing of that one, make the service available for the application wide, so I'm using that one, otherwise you can skip. Okay, export the class logging service. So here you can see that we have a class logging service and we have a constructor. Okay, so I don't want constructor right now, I want just method. Over here I want to use it in a component. How I can use it, let's have a look. So I don't require this one. Method for log the message, string type, and log that logging service and with the message. Okay, it accepts the message as a string. Correct. So we have created one service which always log. Okay, and it accepts the message only. Correct. Next part, inject the service into a component. Now I want to inject that one. So first of all I want to import that first. So in any component I'm going to use my app component right now to import that one. So here we have the app component, where it is now. Here we have, okay, let's remove everything, and first of all I want to import it like this. Okay, logging service. What next? After that we have to go with our constructor declaration. Okay, so here we have to declare, because for inject for the DI here we are doing the dependency injection. Okay, in the constructor. So constructor private logging service, so I think logging service it get that. Okay, so this is how the dependency injection works. So this is private declaration logging service, and this is the part that we have to use it. Okay, done. Next part, now here I'm going to call the method log message. Okay, so I'm going to create a method log one. Okay, so here I'm going to create the log message, right? And how to call this service with the help of this dot logging service dot log method, because in the logging services we have a log method. So first of all in the constructor we have to do the dependency injection. After this, by how we can call that method of the services with the help of this whatever we have defined, define the variable here. So this dot logging service dot log method we have in the logging service. Clear? Done. What else? Add a button in the app component to trigger the log message. So I'm going to add this button in our HTML file. Okay, so here we go with this one. Correct. Now whenever I click on this it will log the message. Let's run ngserve. So it's building the app. Let's open it. Okay, let's go to the console. Log message, logging service. Hello, dependency injection. Error type ctx toggle active is not a function because we have removed that one. Okay, so we don't require it because in the host parameter, I think the last video we have, and they have some host elements over there. Okay, and we don't require this also currently because I'm not using that one. Save this, and when try to this, no, there is no error right now. So logging service, whenever I click on this, it will give me that logging method. Okay, so this is how you can create the services, and with the help of the dependency injection you can use the methods, and this can be used anywhere because here the type declaration is root application wide. You can use it anywhere. So very easy, very simple, and very important to use the code reusable. Okay, so in that case you can use that one. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.